Hey guys, welcome back to another little vlog. So I've done quite a lot of work so far in the last couple of weeks. A bit slack with the vlogs lately, but I think we've got some Spirit Bear footage, so that is currently available in my shop, creaturesinnet.com, and I'm not sure what else is on this video, but anyway, I started sculpting a bison as well, so that's currently in the process. I'm also finished the opossum doll, which I don't know if you can see, it's in the background somewhere. So that's going to be up in my shop very soon. If not, it might already be up depending when this vlog goes up. So I spent a bit of time doing the opossum doll and just planning a lot of new dolls after these two. I've got a couple of commissions happening at the moment. So one is a snow leopard, so I've been sculpting the snow leopard, so more about that later. And yeah, so I've got a whole lot of big cats that I'd like to do, big cat art dolls that I'd like to do after this snow leopard commission that I'm doing. And yeah, I think I'm just going to end up doing all the big cats as like a little project. So that'll be exciting. It's exciting to see how their face structure is slightly different. So with the cheetahs, you know, they're a lot more sort of elongated and kind of dog-like. And the tigers had like a really big muzzle, like a thicker muzzle. And cheetahs, you know, obviously a bit smaller and slender. And with the snow leopard, that got a really pronounced brow, so that's a little bit of a different sculpt there. So I spent a bit of time doing that brow with the snow leopard because it was kind of looking more like a jaguar. So there's just like tiny little changes that need to be done for them to look like what they, you know, what cat you're trying to sculpt. So it's very interesting to see things like that. But anyway, so I'll leave it there and I'll come back to you at the end of the vlog. Hey guys, I'm gonna send off the vlog today. So it's been a couple of weeks, but I'll show you the finished Spirit Bear, which is available in my shop at creaturesinnet.com, and I do offer payment plans for all my work in my shop, so just shoot me a message and I'll let you know how they work. So a little look at the Spirit Bear. It's a cute little face. I tried to get like a soft look at its eyes. That's the little spirit bear, very cute little tail at the end. So Paul McClay head and feet, and also a ball and socket armature faux. So that is ready in my shop, creaturesnat.com. The toucan I'll show you in the next vlog when I do some more work on it. And yeah, just got a couple of things on the go at the moment, and yeah, that's all I can say. So I'll end the vlog there and have a little talk about what we're working on in the next couple of vlogs. I'm a little bit behind in the vlog, so it's a little bit late, but I do have the toucan is finished, which is also available in my shop if you want to see. It's got the movable jaw and everything, so a lot of complex work in it. Yeah, so I'll leave it there. You can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Creatures and Nat, my shop, creaturesandnat.com, and what else? My Patreon, you can check that out too. It's got some extra tutorials and stuff for anybody that's wanting a little bit more. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.